we are losing the battle.
Estamos, digamos, perdiendo derechos que estaban adquiridos de alguna manera, ¿no?
People don't really believe in democracy.
You're dependent on the state, and the state is failing you.
Lorsque Ebola a commencé, c'était la panique.
The war on drugs is mostly a war on people who live in poverty.